Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and ZIP archives on Redmi A1. And to do this we'll need to open the RAR app, which I shown previously how to download, then find the files that you want to pack, select each of the file, click on this plus button. You'll enter archiving options. You can change them right here, but it's not necessary to create a very simple RAR file. So I'm just going to go with OK, and that way we'll create our first archive. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.